In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace name on Asana. Whether you're rebranding or just need a more descriptive name, I'll guide you through each step of this straightforward process, and we'll have it done in just about 5 minutes. To start, you'll want to open a web browser and navigate directly to Asana's login page. Once you're there, you'll be greeted with a space to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Asana account. It's important to make sure you're entering the correct email address, so take a moment to double check it. After entering your email, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Go ahead and click on that. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your password, so type that into the password field. If you happen to be someone who has a lot of unique and complex passwords, it might be handy to have a password manager nearby to help fill this in quickly. Once your password is entered, click the login button. This will take you to your Asana homepage where all the magic happens. From your homepage, you'll want to look towards the top corner of the screen where your profile icon is located. Clicking on your profile will bring up a drop-down menu. In that menu, you'll find an option for the admin console. Click on the admin console to proceed. The admin console is your hub for managing settings within Asana. Once you're in there, locate the settings section and click on it. This section is critically important. It's where all your administrative settings reside. Now that you're in settings, look for the workspace name option. Click on it and you'll be provided with a field where you can type your desired workspace name. Take your time to think about what name will best represent your team or project. Remember, a descriptive name can be incredibly helpful for all team members. After typing in the new name, do a quick review to ensure everything looks right and then look for the Save Changes button. Clicking this not only saves your newly updated workspace name, but also updates it for everyone who is a part of this workspace, providing them with a clearer picture of the team or project's direction. And there you have it, your workspace name in Asana has been successfully changed. By following these steps, you've ensured that your workspace is accurately represented and aligned with your current projects or organizational branding. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you find these instructions helpful for your future Asana endeavors.